What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create your YouTube channel right from scratch as a complete beginner and set your channel to be ready for your videos to start getting views even with your 0 subscribers. The big YouTubers you used to follow have created their channels the right way and put certain settings in place. That is why they get views and subscribers on daily basis. And on this tutorial again, I'll teach you right from scratch how to create your email address that you then use to create your YouTube account. Then you now use that YouTube account to create your YouTube channel. And if this is something you are interested in, then I will entreat you to subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification icon.
So if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Rhain, and on this channel I teach you how to do YouTube the right way, things you want to do, how to use AI tools, AI free tools to create content right here on YouTube. And if this is something you are interested in, then you want to sit back and relax, and let's head over straight into today's video. So I'm on my phone right now, and we are going to locate the Gmail app. This is the Gmail app. If you are on your iOS device, it doesn't come with it. You have to go to your Apple App Store and download it. After installing it, you open it. If you are opening it for the first time, they will ask you to sign up or sign in. So all you want to do is to tap on sign up, and it will bring you to an interface. But because I have an email or a Google account already logged in, I'm going to tap on the top right corner here, tap on my profile, and then I come all the way to add another account. Do you get it? And I will select Google. Okay, so when I select Google, it will ask for my authorization, and I've just done that. Then it will bring us to an interface like this. When you are on this particular interface, all you want to do is to tap on create account. Okay, then choose for my personal use. Okay, then you come here, you tap the name. For the purpose of this tutorial, I want to create some channel. I want to create a channel that is into career coaching. You get it? So I will simply type something like career skills. Then last name I'll choose masterclass. Okay, masterclass. Are you getting it? Then you hit next. Then to bring you to month, select any month, or you can select your month you want to use, select any date or your date, select any then you come and select gender. Is very important. So I'm a male. Then you hit on next. Now the good thing is Google will give you email addresses here. Okay, they will suggest email addresses for you, but if you don't like any of these, you can go ahead and then you tap on create own Gmail address. You get it? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I have career skills master classes here, so I'll just select the first one, and then we go. Now this is where this is what is most important, because people find it difficult creating simple passwords for their email addresses. So what I want you to do is to pay very close attention, because we are going to combine numbers with capital letters and the small letters, and we add some symbols like $sign and that and sign or the @ sign. Okay, so that way you create it once and for all. It will not take you back, bring you back, or something tell you that your password is not strong or anything. So here we go, and then I'm going to type something like 587. Then I go with the name masterclass with M being the capital letter, and then the A and the rest will be small letters. You get it? So yes, something like this. And then I'm going to add some symbols. That one I don't have to say it, you know what I mean. You get it? So I'll just add some stuffs to make it very, very strong. You get it? So after that is done, you just send it, and it will bring you and it will give you your email like this. Now when you see review your account info, and your email address will be there. All I want you to do right now is to just tap on next, and it will bring you to a place like this. This is very, very important. If you think when you're done with that one you've already created the account is not true, you have to scroll this one all the way down, and until you see what agree. So we are coming to agree to Google terms and conditions. You just tap on it. Here we go. So your account is fully created, guys. So all you need to do is to reopen your Gmail app. It is right here, guys. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? So we have fully created our email address. So all we need to do is to go back. Now we are going to start the tutorial for the purpose of this video. That is how to create our YouTube channel using this Google account or the Gmail address. So we'll head over to Google Chrome. This is Chrome. You open it, and if you are opening Chrome for the very first time, you see an interface that you have to sign in. But I have an account signed in here already, but I'm going to change it to that particular account that we've just created. Okay, so this is Google Chrome interface, right? So you want to search something like m.youtube.com, this one right here, so you search, it will load and bring you to an interface like this. Now as you can see, I've already changed this to a desktop site. Now this is how you can change to a desktop site. You can switch to a desktop site. Tap on the three dots up here, then you come all the way down and you select desktop. As you can see, I've already marked desktop site. That is where you are seeing all of this. Okay, so when that is done, you just have to locate that profile, that account you've created at the top right corner here like this, and then you tap on it and it will bring you to your channel interface, and from that channel interface you'll be able to create your YouTube account.
After we have successfully logged in that particular channel or that email on our Windows right here, this is what you see. As you can see, I've created, because of network problems, I have to create this behind the scenes, but this is how it looks like. And let me show you, if you are coming on for the first time, what you will see, guys. So when you log in your account, this is what you see. Okay, when you log in your Gmail without a YouTube account or YouTube channel, this is what you see. So you try searching something, and all I want you to do for the purpose of this tutorial, if you are creating your channel for the very first time, you want to search something that is first of all in your niche, right? So you want to search something like skills, career skills. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm searching like career skills, career skills. And when you click send, when you click search, it will bring you to an interface like this, and all these are things that are in our niche, this video like this. So you tap on this video, watch it small, and you go back. Now this is where everything is. So after you have created your channel by selecting channel name and all those stuff, let's go back here again. Let me show you one thing again. So here, after searching as doing something like that, then you come and tap on this profile. Are you getting it? Then it will bring you to an interface like this which says create channel. Now create channel, here you select name. So guys, are you getting it? So this is where you put your channel name, and then you put and the handle will automatically be generated from the name you give your channel here. And after that, you come to tap on this which says create channel. After you might have select or choose the name, it will will appear like this one. Then you just tap on it to create channel. Now once you are done creating your channel, it will take you to an interface like this. Now when you are on the interface like this, you tap on customize channel, guys. So right, so customized channel will give you an interface like this. This is where everything gets started and start to be interesting. So right here, we need channel banner, we need channel profile photo, we need channel description, among others. So we are not coming to, after we have created our channel, we are coming to make use of a feature called Ask Studio. If you have been watching my videos, I mentioned Ask Studio in my previous video, and this Ask Studio, what it does is that it's going to fully optimize your channel for you. So you don't need to crack your head and put every setting in place. This Ask Studio will help you do everything. You just need to give it a prompt that will make it to write everything that you just copy and paste in your YouTube Studio settings for your channel to stand out and start getting views on YouTube. So let's head over to it, and then I'm just coming to tap on Ask Studio like this, and it will bring us to an interface like this. So for the first timer, you just want to send something like hi and send it. It will load and bring you. Whilst it's loading, it's just welcome you. Guys, can you see career skills masterclasses? That's my channel name, and it has already recognized that. So we are heading over to this prompt right here, and this prompt is just me telling Ask Studio that I've just created a new channel and I need to fully optimize it with settings, channel profile photo, channel banner, and all those settings, channel description, channel keywords, among others. And this small prompt is what is giving us all those stuff. You get it? So with that being said, let's go back to Ask Studio here and then paste that particular prompt that we've copied, and then we tap on send. guys, like this video and then you share this video to get to more um small creators like you and I. Yeah, okay, so let's continue. Guys, can you see? So it has already generated everything that I need for me. Channel basic info and keywords. These keywords help the audience find your channel when searching professional development content. Guys, can you see? So these are all settings we are going to input later on in this particular video. So as you can see, we have country of residence. Select your current country. And this place, you don't have to make mistake. Wherever you are, select that particular country. Can you see these channel keywords? These are all keywords that are going to rank our channel on YouTube. You get it? Then we have strategic channel description, and then all these. You get it? So copy and paste. This is our channel description, as you can see. Now let's quickly copy this. We are copying right from number one, right here. Are you getting it? Good. We copy, and if you are on phone, copy this and paste it in your notes. Okay. If you are on your Windows, create a temporary folder for this one, just like this one. And what I'm coming to do is to paste this all settings here. Guys, are you getting it? So these are channel keywords and the country of origin. And we are heading over back to our YouTube studio. And first things first, okay, first things first, you want to select or upload a photo. Okay, let's say I have just a random photo to be used for this one. Okay, so let me head over to my desktop. I think I have if I go to footages, I will, okay, let's say this is the image I want to use. Let's say this is the image I want to use. I'll just open, and this is how it will look like on my YouTube. So this is just to show you something, because you might have generated a profile photo and a channel banner and all those stuff for your channel. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I just want to show you exactly what to do. And here we go. I want to now upload a channel profile photo. Okay, so that channel profile photo must look professional and ready to go. Are you getting it? So that is that. And I'm just coming to select an image from here. Okay, let's say this is the image I want to use. Guys, can you see this is the profile photo? Right, so make sure when that is done, you tap on publish. Now we are coming to, can you see this is our channel name, and this is where we will go and copy that channel description and come and paste it. So let's head over back to my channel right here. Can you see where is the channel description? Copy and paste. You get it? So strategic channel description, and this is what we are coming to copy all the way down here and paste there. Guys, are you getting it? So can you see the number 3 is not part of it? Can you see? So you just copy this. You remember, you have not designed this yourself. It's the App Studio, which is a YouTube inbuilt feature. So whatever is giving you is based on your channel analysis and what will rank your channel for virality. Guys, are you getting it? So you can put your contact information here, add links. If you have other social media platforms, you add the link here, and then here we go. So we are uploading channel watermark. Okay, so channel watermark is just something that will let people know that this is your channel. Now I don't want this video to be way too long, so have you seen, you have copied that into your notes already? Okay, you have every setting in your notes already. So once you are on your channel like this, every settings you tap on publish first for you not to lose this one. So we have published this already. So after that, you come back to settings. Okay, and this is where it gets interesting. You select your there, you come to channel. Okay, there you select your country like this. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm in Ghana, and where is Ghana? This is Ghana. And channel keywords, guys, are you getting it? Channel keywords. So these channel keywords, you just head over to your note or your temporary folder, copy and paste this channel keyword. When you are done, you save it. Guys, are you getting it? So guys, basically that is how you just copy everything and paste step by step in that YouTube studio setup. And every stage that you reach, you just head over to your temporary folder, then you copy that particular settings and come and insert it. And that's how you go about it step by step. Okay, if you watch this video up to this point, I entreat you to subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification icon. In If you have not understand anything after watching this video or after watching this tutorial, you have not understand anything, just let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you with a video to answer whatever your question may be. I think we have come to the end of this tutorial, and my name is Rhain. This is Rhain Creators Academy, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. I'm out.